Good afternoon. We're going to show you the scan process that we do to tires to verify tire health and the alignment on your vehicle. So every time a vehicle drives up, we go ahead and we check tire wear, tire depth, and your alignment with our handheld scanner. This is to go ahead and make sure that we are performing your maintenance and your service to the best of our ability and to keep your drive safe. All right, so this is the report that we show every customer when they come in. This shows you the tread depth of your tires, whether or not you need a rotation, and how the alignment is looking based on tread wear and the tire wear. This vehicle that we just scanned, this car needs to have the alignment performed, and then we go ahead and recommend to the customer that their alignment is needed to be performed so we can make sure that their vehicle is operating as designed and within specifications and keeps them safe on the road. Thank you very much for allowing us to show you how we do our processes here in service. Have a great day.